I'm going to make a spinach omelet, a few leaves of spinach, um, probably a small pieces of red onion, um, and green chili, a little bit, and butter or any kind of oil, 2 eggs, and Parmesan cheese, and cheddar cheese, 1 slice. Added some salt and some pepper if you like. Give it a whisk like this. Add some butter or oil. Added everything into the whisked eggs, including Parmesan cheese, but don't add the cheddar cheese. Mix like this, and I add it to the pan. Let it make it even, nice and like this. Add the cheddar cheese to one side of the omelette like this. Let it cook like this. Turn it over like this. It is look like this. It will be great. You can add, if you like, Tabasco or any garlic chili sauce. I would prefer garlic chili.